making this crochet chain. For making this chain, first we have to make a slip knot. I have already made a video on how to make a slip knot, so I will give the I button on the corner. You can go and check out the video and learn to make a slip knot. Slip knot is the first step of making a chain. Now we will take this working yarn and wrap it around the finger like this. It will allow pass the yarn. We will insert the hook in the loop, the first slip knot that we have made. Now this yarn, this finger will control the tension of the yarn, how loose or how tight you want to keep it. So we will wrap the yarn over the hook like this and pull it through the loop, and we have made our first chain. Again we will wrap the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop to make another chain. Now we have two chains. Again wrap the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. Most of the crochet projects begin with this chain. I hope I helped you learn this chain, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.